when I think of the SEOs that exist, I like to divide people into 3 different types. You have, say, the people who like to dissect things.
Right.
Sort of break things down. They want to know like the nitty gritty, how the gears and cogs work. So people like, I don't know, Koray that you had a couple weeks ago, or Bill Slawski, who are into topics that you go, wait, are you sure this is immediately applicable to my rankings today? Yes, but only once you've taken everything apart and seen how the pieces work together.
Right.
You have researchers and observers like you, or Lily Ray, or Cindy Krum, who are really attentive, or even like Glenn Gabe, and Kevin Indig does this as well, extremely attentive to patterns that you see in search results. And then you do a ton of tests to confirm that that's really what you're seeing.
Right.
And then you have people who are implementers who take all of that information. They go, okay, based on all of that, here's how I can build a really successful SEO strategy. But they're not breaking things up themselves, and they're not testing their observations necessarily themselves. And the
right. Ooh, sorry,
Yeah.
I think that's a really good way of breaking it down, because it really does encompass all the different types of people, and we all
and they're all
complement
extremely
each other,
valuable. And I personally would be happy to be in any of those 3 categories, but I'm definitely a dissector. I take everything apart. So
Right. Okay. But well, the other thing about that is kind of what I've ended up doing.